Money magnets, is this the end of Patelco Credit Union? Customers are struggling after a cyber attack, but no worries because we're going to show you how to protect yourself and get to the bag.
Hey, you guys, I want you to hear some of these heartfelt stories from customers who are struggling after this attack.
Sue Johnston is worried because she can't track her money.
You can't get anything. No money, no online, no nothing.
And she has payments due today.
Yes, I have had issues trying. I'm coming to find out if I'm going to get a late notice from the bank.
Sue is a member of the Patelco Credit Union, headquartered in Dublin. Over the weekend, the credit union was hit by what it calls a serious security incident.
I've gotten messages that they've had problems.
Customers tell us they still can't get at their money or even see their balance. And they haven't heard any specifics from Patelco itself.
Someone tried to Zelle me and it was rejected. It didn't go through.
And I'm a Patelco 25 years maybe.
And this, have you ever had?
No. This is crazy.
And it sounds like in this case, someone is inside the system. So it's not just a simple incursion. This sounds like it's a pretty serious breach.
Michelle Dennedy runs a local cybersecurity company. She says in addition to checking your statements, you should also contact whoever you might owe money.
Maybe you're waiting for your mortgage payment. Instead of calling and getting in line for this very long queue to say, where's my money? Maybe you want to call your mortgage company and say, hey, I'm not sure if that automatic payment is going through. Can I get a break here?
Wow, Marvin, this is so heartbreaking for me because a lot of times what we do is we put all of our eggs in one basket.
Exactly.
And that's just not the thing to do right now. The way this economy is going and the way that, there's been so many security breaches, cyber attacks. What's next, Marvin?
And look, guys, I want you to comment if you've been through a ransomware or a cyber attack and tell us about the things you did to protect yourself. And I want to tell everybody, look, make sure you have more than one banking relationship.
Right.
Maybe have a major bank like Chase, American Express, Bank of America. But if you like your local credit union, that's great. But make sure you keep some extra emergency money in a major bank as well.
Marvin, what it's called is don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Exactly. And look, guys, make sure you like and share this video. It could be someone you know or someone you related to that needs to hear this information.
Okay, Marvin, let's check out this next story from a customer.
Okay.
Well, another big story that's causing headaches this morning for many here in the Bay Area is the fact that Patelco, the credit union, says it suffered a serious security issue, and that's had to have them shut down operations through the weekend and now into Monday.
Over the weekend, Patelco Credit Union told its customers it was experiencing a serious security incident and had to shut down its day-to-day banking system, meaning electronic transfers wouldn't be available along with direct deposits, balance inquiries, and payment information. Karen Gonzalez, who's been a member for 20-plus years, says after 48 hours of trying to get answers, she finally got a message from the credit union CEO.
It said there was a serious security incident. They had the best resources working on it, and bottom line, they couldn't tell us as to when it was going to be fixed. We don't know the nature of the security breach. Was it our accounts? Was it, our passwords, our addresses?
As of now, customers can only use in-person ATM machines to withdraw cash or get account information, but even that is limited. Branches will be open today to assist members, along with a call center and live chat online. But do expect long wait times. Tracy, who's also been a member for a while, says she's been having issues for days.
I had a account that was supposed to go through last night that I was unable to transfer money into to clear, and that didn't happen either because we're not allowed, nothing could go in. That's the problem.
Lack of transparency really bothers me, and it makes me wonder, how are they staffed for security issues these days when we have so much of a problem out there? I think I might be going to another institution that's too big to fail.
Wow. These customers are really going through it, Marvin.
Yeah.
So let's talk about what can customers do to protect themselves if things like this happen, because we don't have a magic ball.
Right.
We don't know when life is going to happen to us,
Yep. You know what I would say? A lot of people don't like having a paid credit monitoring.
Right.
But in cases like this could save your credit. This incident can really affect somebody's life. If they get a 30-day late on their credit, that could stick with them for over 2 years. And when is Patelco going to fix this? The last time we looked at the website, this is a month later, they're saying that they've got some of the services up and running, but not all of them. So this is where our credit monitoring really would come in handy, guys.
Patelco is saying that this could take a while, so Michelle Dennety's advice is very good. Maybe talk to the people you might owe money to. They say this was indeed a ransomware attack. They're looking to an outside company to try to negotiate here. You know, these ransomware attacks, every once in a while, the attacker wants a lot of money before they release the data.
As of now, there is no ETA as to when things will be back to normal. And when it comes to details on exactly what happened, there's no answer other than a serious security incident and that top-tier cybersecurity experts were working on it. We did reach out to Patelco Credit Union, but we have not heard back as of yet. As we get more details, we'll continue to keep you updated.
Right, Marvin. And we talk about all the time just raising enough capital for the, you know, that's having that emergency nest egg, or even having that emergency nest egg at another institution. Maybe this bank can be where you pay your bills.
Right.
This bank can be where you actually have savings. You know, a lot of people are saying that they may not even be able to get their check. So what if they don't have any extra money? This goes back to putting yourself in position so you don't have to live check to check.
Right.
Getting yourself in position. Like in 2024, there's no reason to have bad credit.
Right.
You know, because when things like this happen, this right here can give you that cushion that you need to make it through and to get you over the hump.
Yeah, and having a 700 credit score can help you go raise more capital in a situation like this. This other story we did about USAA, remember, Gloria?
Yeah.
The guy had to use his credit because of the bank. He had to go get a loan just to pay his bills to make ends meet. So guys, keep a credit monitoring, and there's no reason to have bad credit in 2024.
Marvin, I have a gem.
Okay, what you got?
Okay, guys, even though this is a very traumatic situation, we have a credit monitoring that offers $1 million in insurance.
Wow.
That can help protect you when situations like this happen.
Yeah.
We also have a AI tool that can help you fix your credit so that you can fund all of your dreams and protect yourself when life happens.
So if you're suffering from negative items on your credit report and you want to fix it in a hurry, check out this next video. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.